What is sleep apnea in Spanish? If you're wondering what sleep apnea is and how it affects people, you're in the right place. Let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand. Sleep apnea, or apnea del sueño in Spanish, is a sleep disorder that can be quite serious. It happens when your breathing stops and starts repeatedly while you're sleeping. Imagine your body trying to breathe, but the airway is blocked, or your brain isn't sending the right signals to your breathing muscles. There are a few types of sleep apnea, but the most common one is called obstructive sleep apnea, or apnea obstructiva del sueño. This occurs when the muscles in the back of your throat relax too much and block your airway. It's like when you're sleeping and your throat muscles get so relaxed that they close off the path for air to get through. This can happen because of things like being overweight, having a larger tongue or tonsils, or even just the shape of your neck and throat. When this happens, you might wake up briefly to breathe again, but you usually don't remember it. It can happen many times during the night, making it hard to get deep, restful sleep. You might wake up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep, and you could experience loud snoring, gasping, or choking sounds. Another type is central sleep apnea, or apnea central del sueño. This is less common and happens when your brain doesn't send the right signals to your breathing muscles, so you're not making any effort to breathe for short periods. There's also a type called complex sleep apnea, or apnea del sueño compleja, which is a mix of both obstructive and central sleep apnea. This can happen when someone with obstructive sleep apnea starts treatment and then develops central sleep apnea. Symptoms of sleep apnea can include excessive daytime sleepiness, loud snoring, morning headaches, and feeling restless or irritable. If you're sleeping on your back, it can make things worse because it affects how your throat and airway are positioned. Risk factors for sleep apnea include being overweight, having a family history of the condition, smoking, and certain medical conditions like heart failure or thyroid problems. Even sleeping on your back or using alcohol and certain medications can increase your risk. If you think you might have sleep apnea, it's important to talk to a healthcare provider. They can do a sleep study to diagnose it and recommend treatments like using a CPAP machine, which helps keep your airway open while you sleep, or even surgery to remove large tonsils or adenoids that might be blocking your airway. So that's what sleep apnea is: a serious sleep disorder that affects your breathing and can impact your daily life. Understanding it can help you take the right steps to get the restful sleep you need.